Good morning, everybody. Who's excited for a big 2-hour show? Lisa, me, Carol, the team, we're all getting ready.
We are.
We are to share with you 2 big hours of nothing but temptations. How many new do we have in the show, Lisa? Did we actually add that up?
Count.
Lisa's gonna add that up. I meant to do that and then I forgot. But always want to give you guys a little sneak peek, let you know what's coming up. It's Marybeth Roe and me for 2 hours, which is so exciting. We have so many new items in the show. We have new colors that we've added to some of your returning favorites. Hello, Melody. Good to see you. Hi, Nancy. Who's ready for 2 hours of temptations? Margie's here. So excited. I'm up in the studio. No sound. That's weird. Can you guys hear me? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Hi, Mary Miller. Can you guys hear me? Hi, Jesse. Thumbs up, hear me? Hi, girls, see you soon. All right, everyone's giving me thumbs up, so sorry to who was it who said you couldn't hear me? Sorry, Margie. I think it's working. Oh, there she goes. Hi, Margie. Now you can hear me. Okay, we have sound. All right, so let's talk about all the new that's coming up. First, how about some returning favorites? The Witch's Feet are back in stock, you guys. These are our 8-ounce ramekins that we debuted last year. By the way, you guys, there's 15 reviews and they're all 5-star. So how awesome is that? We have tiered buffet servers. We have a set of bowls, a 1 quart and a 2 quart, or we have serving platters. How many? 8 brand new items in the show.
Some of them are just new colors.
Yeah, and some are new colors, but this is brand new, right? So you're getting either the set of bowls. Look at Esmeralda at the top. Love her. And yes, we did the characters on the sides of the bowls. Just for the bowls alone, it's worth it. And then, of course, we did the plates as well, a 10-inch and a 13-inch. If you think about it, a 10-inch is your standard dinner plate. So that's brand new in the show. Returning with the Witch's Feet. We have a bowl set in the show, you guys, with a spoon rest, a 3 quart, a 2 quart, a 1 quart. Do we have Woodland? Oh, you better believe it. Do we have Harvest and Buffetti? Yes, we do. I am so in love with this item. We have tongs in the show. They're gonna have a quick 4-minute sell, but you guys look at, we're just gonna spin it. Look how cute this is. We have Doodle Doo, we have yellow, we have Buffetti, we have poinsettia, we have red. Hurry up, Lace, spin it. Kidding. We have confetti, we have gray, we have winter whimsy with the holiday lights, right? And then last but not least, we also have the Doodle Doo and the blue. So super excited about that. We have the TV trays in the show. We have the beaded runners. We have Marybeth in the show.
I'm gonna just sit down.
I'm telling you, it's such
a big show. I better sit down while I can.
She's doing her stretches before we get ready. All right, so we have, of course, the TV trays. We have the mini pie plates right here, which are awesome. Love these 4 recipes right inside. We have the drying mats. We have serving platters. We have, guess what? The soup and sandwich. Big item. It's a hot pick on the day. So in love with this. All these great colors, all the seasonal. Like, this is such a fun story. Oh, hello, Doodle Doo, for the person who was saying, where's my Doodle Doo soup and sandwich? There it is. So excited about that. Can we just talk about cuteness overload? How about a 1.5 quart pitcher in Mummy, or Frankie, or Esmeralda, or Wimbley, or Mr. Bojangles, or Gingerbread? How about a set, Gumdrop, sorry, forgot. How about a set of 3 mini pitchers in the characters in either the holiday or the Buffetti? I'm so in love with these, I can't stand it. Reminder, we have the bowls. Have you guys seen the Little Witch cake plate? Hello, Little Witch. Think loaf pan. Think big loaf pan. That's it. Jesse says, take all my money. Janet says, hi. Tara and Lisa, good morning. Good morning. Lisa, say good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Doesn't she look beautiful having worked for the 2 a.m.?
Same makeup as maybe 2 a.m. Just saying.
So while I'm up here, I actually stay at Lisa's. So we were like coming and go. We were like ships in the night this morning. So,
yes.
But she is a rock star. Yeah. By the way, you guys, coming up in the show, I did a 20-ounce anniversary mug where I made the trivet and ornament. You guys, do not wait on these. They're under $20. Marybeth and I were saying, like, this is such a great gift, such a multiple purchase, and the silhouette of that mug is to die. Hey, can we talk about our gnome? Sorry, it's an inside joke. We have our gnome. If you're ordering it, it's spelled wrong, but don't worry about it. Just order it. It's adorable. It never got fixed.
Yeah.
Here's our gnome. There's our holly berry. There's, of course, our reindeer. Don't forget, we have Doodle Doo and Pawfetti. We have all the gang. Thanks, Lise. You're amazing. So lots and lots and lots in the show. Seriously, 2 hours of so much fun with truly the best in the biz from the camera and the styling team. Like, it's amazing. I'm so excited to share 2 hours with you and to share it with Marybeth, one of my dear, dear loves. We're celebrating our 20th anniversary here at Temp-tations, and Marybeth and I have been working actually for longer than those 20 years because I was also on air with some other products 3 years prior to that. 23 years on air. Okay. All right, guys. Looking forward to seeing you, and walk polls. They're coming soon, Margie. Stay tuned. Don't you worry. All right. We'll see you guys in 6 minutes. I better get going. Bye.